Hello, trading is closed on June 24th, 2019. My last call said if we gapped under this low that this high could be the real thing. And if we gapped over this high, then this whole move was false. Well, neither one of those things happened, so there wasn't really a call. Maybe that's not too bad since we didn't move around very much and only closed down 5 points. Look for the pattern with the early low. This is it. This pattern usually closes at the day's high. Now, tomorrow's open can substitute for today's close, but if we don't gap up and take this high out, then lower prices should print. It could be significant because this is a pattern called 3 days tight. We've closed at about the same level 3 days in a row. Usually there's a big move. I'm not totally convinced this leg of the rally is over, but if we're going to avoid lower prices tomorrow, we really have to clear this high early. It's not going to be that easy because tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. MEJT said this rally was false. We'd retrace. Here it gave a sell signal that's worked. It's not obligated to retrace. So the onus is now on the bulls. They have to prove this isn't the real thing. If that is the high, here's some justification. It's not really enough to totally convince me that with the 3 days tight pattern, if we start dropping like a stone, which I'm not predicting, I'm going to have to believe it. I'd be a lot happier if this rally went a little bit higher by clearing this high early. But if we don't clear it early, the pattern's negative, and the move could be big. That's today's call.